Alright.
Yeah, there's sparks on them. I'm thinking of putting
Homebrew Korean food. Step 1. Put the fire in the hibachi.
That should be plenty.
Every Korean meal must have soju. I will pour myself a shot
Right, what's the fun?
right before the fire hits. Right by the fire. Okay, we got our galbi here. You can see it's just very nicely marbled and it's already marinated. Don't burn your hands.
No, I'm just trying to figure out the best way to put them on here. Oh, there. I'll get the scissors and cut them into the 3-inch
Okay.
chunks.
Yeah.
It's all smoky in here now.
Yeah, it's not too bad though as far as how much it's putting out. I wanted to try this on the patio for a long time, but we've never done it. So this is our first time cooking on our patio. Dog is extremely interested
Yep.
in what's going on. We took our first load off, but we might have to reheat these. What we done is we cut these into smaller pieces so they cook faster than maybe they.
Well, no, just mostly so we can get more on the yak.
Yeah, because this little thing is, so this yakko is about $200. I mean, you can get cheaper hibachis, but this is like a stainless steel unit. It'll last basically forever because of its construction, and it's good it's easy to clean up, easy to prep, easy to get started. So, I mean, I recommend this product highly. We've been using it for like the last year or so. And I gotta tell you, I mean, charcoal for Korean barbecue is the way to go. So it's for like, yakatoris or any. I mean, if you just you and your significant other are cooking, even with a couple of kids, this is fine. For small scale, you're not using a ton of fuel. I mean, this thing is not very big. If you look at the size of my hand, it's not a very big unit, right? So like, you're only putting a little bit of charcoal in here. You're not lighting up.
Charcoal at a time.
3?
That's what that hopper holds. But you
Yeah.
didn't fill it all the way.
No, I filled it about 70%. So it's not inefficient at all. It's a very inefficient way of cooking at home, especially if you have a covered, patio. If it rains during the summer, lots of thunderstorms, this is kind of, once you got your fans blowing the smoke out, right? Then you can play around with this stuff.
So usually when we're grilling something like, say, chicken wings or just some burgers, you add the charcoal to the grill in a sloping motion so that the charcoal is higher and hotter on one side and cooler and lower on the other. Because I knew we would be grilling over the entire surface with relatively fatty cuts of meat, I just did the charcoal completely even throughout on the surface, and I added some charcoal that hadn't been pre-burned to extend the life of the fire.
This is very high quality galbi for a Korean market, actually. Even considering the price, I know some people might balk at it, like
It was $18 a pound.
$18 a pound, but I mean, this is a lot. This is pre-marinated. It's ready to go. You could also buy them unmarinated and marinate it yourself. It really isn't that much more.
It probably wasn't a different price, was it?
It wasn't a huge difference in price from the frozen
3 minutes
galbi
and I'm
versus
turning.
the.
And I think 2 minutes on the other side. As soon as I get all these flipped. Yeah, this is cooked a little more than the first batch.
Yeah, that looks good.
what's very important is having one tongs for the raw meat and another tongs for the cooked meat.
Yeah.
So you don't cross-contaminate.
Yeah.
Alright, so 2 minutes.
So yeah, if you're in the Korean community in South Florida, this is the place to get your stuff. Because I didn't see stuff anything like this in Ensign or any of the other Asian markets, I can tell you that. Alright, I'm going to take one of these in my hands to taste, see how she goes. It's crazy hot, right? Oh my God, the flavor of this is incredible. I mean, the marination's amazing. They did a really good job at Mart. I'd be hard pressed to do this kind of marinade myself. It's got Asian pear in it for sure, or apple or something. It's sweet, a little bit of sugar, Korean soy sauce. I mean, you can make this if you buy the raw ingredients, but I would say just buy it directly from Mart and just grill it up, man. I mean, don't even worry about doing that. But you gotta try one of these. These are amazing.
I'll be there in a minute.
You gotta try one of these. What do you think?
No chewy. Good.
Wow, that was good. Eat one of those. Ooh, yeah. Fire! So now we let the fire die down. We're gonna hit it with the bulgogi. That was fun for a couple seconds.
All right.
All right, bulgogi. That's gonna cook a lot faster.
Yeah, you be ready to like flip things by the time I get to the other end of the grill. I kind of just want to dump the whole thing
You don't
out.
have to do. You don't have to.
It.
You don't have to do it in entire strips. You can just dump.
Well, I'm
pieces.
taking some of it out at a time. You know.
Okay.
It's also frozen in the middle.
Right. Our dogs are watching this through the glass window and they're losing their minds.
But you know, when they were out here, they weren't trying to get the meat. They know. They know better.
Now you don't have to use a charcoal grill. You could use a cast iron pan for
We've
this.
done that before.
But I mean, this is charcoal is the traditional Korean way of cooking this stuff. I don't even need to buy side dishes. We could just sit there and just like eat meat off the grill.
We have side dishes?
Yeah, we have all the banchas.
Why isn't that out here?
We go get some timbops and some noodles.
At this point, we may as well just cook everything.
This still.
Here. That tastes cooked.
Oh yeah. All right, good. Oh wow, that's good.
Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah.
those are going to take like 10 minutes to get hot.
Okay, so in terms of side dishes, we got some japchae, the noodles, and we got some kimbap. It's just kind of like sushi, but it's got it's not made out of vinegared rice. It's got vegetables and a little bit of fish cake in it. And common Korean street food, I guess, or convenience food. Instead of us making rice tonight, so we bought some of these. It's the kimchi. We've opened it, plated some out. It's very fermented, and it's quite spicy. And the dog is interested in the food for some particular reason. Seasoned radish, also called mul, I believe. This is seasoned lotus root. It's got like a sweet soy sauce, kind of a seasoning on it. Seasoned garlic stem with a ton of garlic on it. Wow. That's a lot of garlic. Hey, we got kimbap, garlic stem. We got some lotus root. Got some kimchi. We got some japchae. Yeah. Got some serious stuff going on, and of course some kimchi. Ready to eat it.
Dripping off the plate.
Got a little bit of
It's not sizzling.
yeah.
To me, it's not going.
Okay, well, maybe we need the meat closer to the grill or something. I don't know. We're amateurs.
Yeah. Well, you can't get the meat closer to the grill. You have to put more charcoal in the grill.
That's correct.
So when you're doing something you want to cook hot and fast, you actually need more charcoal because it needs to be higher in the yak.
Yeah.
Because this has been on for 6 minutes already.
It's not coming out bad though. I mean.
No, but it's not like charring the way the galbi did.
Yeah.
All right, just give that another couple minutes. It'll be done. With a screaming dog in the background.
Yep.